Federal employees have been charged with fraud. 5 members of the IRS have exploited government programs to gain hundreds of thousands of dollars. How did they do this? Let's find out. During the pandemic, we both know a lot of government programs were created. We had the EIDL and the PPP program. Now with the PPP loans, I'm sure you've seen the videos out there. I saw the videos out there. People were encouraging pretty much anybody to sign up for these loans and take advantage of the money that was out there. So basically, if you drove an Uber or a Lyft, people were saying you qualify as a small business, and that wasn't the case. One thing you have to keep in mind when the government introduces a new program, there will be a line of people waiting to exploit it. People are always looking for an opportunity to get something for nothing. It doesn't matter if it's a pandemic relief or a disability program, people will still try to take advantage and get as much money as they can. What surprised me the most with these individuals, not necessarily that they were government employees, but what they used the money on. So they weren't trying to make an extra payment on their mortgage. They were not trying to pay their bills. They actually spent it on luxury items and trips. Let's go through the list. The first person was a program and risk analyst, and they illegally obtained $171,000. So what did they spend it on? They bought themselves a new Mercedes-Benz, and then they took the rest of the money and they put it into an investment account. The second person was a contact representative and obtained $27,000. Half from an EIDL loan and the other half from unemployment benefits. What did they spend it on? Manicures, massages, and luxury clothes. The third person was a management and program assistant, and they obtained $29,000. This person applied for many loans for a fashion business that did not exist. What did they spend it on? Gucci clothes and a vacation to Las Vegas, Nevada. The fourth person was a contact representative, and they obtained $66,000. This person claimed to have an apparel business. So what did this person spend the money on? A Gucci satchel. That's all the report listed. I don't even know what a Gucci satchel is. I've never bought anything from Gucci before. So I had to get on the website just to take a look around and see what does Gucci offer. And what I found is all these bags that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Now, I'm not a bag expert, but to me this seems a little overpriced. Okay, so the fifth person was a lead management and program assistant, and they obtained $123,000. What did they spend it on? Jewelry and a trip to Las Vegas, Nevada. A few of these people were in the same state. Maybe they were coworkers, maybe they were friends. But as you can tell with the vacation to Las Vegas, I doubt that was a coincidence. Now, a lot of these people also pleaded guilty to wire fraud, and that carries a penalty, max 20 years in jail. If you want to know their full names, it's listed in the report. I'll drop it down in the description so you can read it if that interests you. And these are just the latest people to actually get caught in the government abusing this type of program. Over 150 people have been prosecuted, and over $70 million has been seized by the government. And this is just the latest, right? I'm sure as time progresses, they're going to catch more and more people. There are some reports that suggest that over $1 billion was taken illegally from the PPP loan program. This mainly occurred from people filing multiple applications for businesses that simply did not exist. You might have somebody down the street who watches the neighborhood kids, and they were claiming to have a full-blown daycare, and they were trying to get tens of thousands of dollars. That's just an example. But these type of activities have been happening continuously during the time of the pandemic. So who was providing oversight over the program? Well, the SBA, the Small Business Administration, they were the ones that were charged in facilitating the program. And the GAO notified the government that, hey, this type of program is very susceptible to fraud, but the program continued. Another thing that caught my eye is the individuals involved with this fraud. Not only were they federal government employees, but they worked for the IRS, the federal agency that's charged with detecting fraud when it comes to income and paying taxes. We need to remember that the next time a government benefit gets rolled out, you need to ensure you, the people around you, are not rushing to apply thinking that it's free money, because this type of thing will catch up with somebody, and before you know it, they could easily end up in jail. Now, speaking of the IRS, if you're looking for a new job opportunity, then you probably want to know that the IRS is planning on opening up tens of thousands of new jobs. And if you want to know the details behind these jobs so that you can apply, I want you to watch this video next. If you would like to see more videos like this, please click like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.